Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.9% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.9% in the last session after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wix.com, which helps small businesses build and operate websites, said on Wednesday it aims to cut costs by $150 million a year to compensate for a global economic slowdown and a stronger dollar, which has weighed on revenue. European stock markets opened higher, while Asia fell, ahead of the release of US inflation data that traders worry will show upward pressure on prices still is too strong for the Federal Reserve to ease off interest rate hikes. BitPay, the world's largest provider of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency payment services, added a reward program to its BitPay prepaid card. Cardlytics, a cashback rewards platform, is managing the rewards where the BitPay cardholder automatically receives cashback on purchases.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Irish Consumer Price Index will be released at 10:00 hours GMT, Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT, the US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 23:50 GMT, the US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT, the Irish HICP at 10:00 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.